Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amira, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I paint my nails and how I get them to stay for about 1 to 2 weeks. So I always use a nail buffer to buff my nails out before I paint them, and the brand that I'm using is Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Nails, and the color that I'm using is Blackie O. So for painting my nails, I usually always use 3 strokes. I go once in the middle, and then once on the left side, and then once on the right side. And then I do this one more time over that, and then I do that for all my nails. And then I repeat the process, let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you want to know a really cool trick, then just run your hands under cold water, and that will dry them pretty fast. If you don't believe me, go ahead and try them right now. You won't ruin your nails. Just don't dry it immediately right after you stick your hands under the water, because then that will ruin your nails. But that's a really cool way to get them dry faster.
And how you make me smile, and how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone, oh no. Smile more when you come back, smile more when I see you, smile more when the sun shines bright.
And if you want to subscribe or like or comment, anything helps and will make me super happy, so go ahead and do that. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and love you. Bye.